India is a unique market where multiple low-cost transportation options are used to meet the increasing first and last mile connectivity requirements, with two- and three-wheelers as the preferred option. In the last few years, the electrification of these vehicles has grown substantially. Valeo, a pioneer and world leader in electrical powertrain systems, is introducing a fully integrated, compact electric powertrain system for two- and three-wheelers in India. Built on advanced 48-volt powertrain technology at an affordable cost. Valeo's expertise in automotive powertrains contributes to reducing CO2 emissions. It is an ideal solution for the electric mobility revolution in India. Valeo's electric powertrain is a versatile solution that is customizable to suit different vehicle segments. This technologically superior solution is cost-effective. OEMs can leverage the local expertise of Valeo's engineering experts to expedite the integration process, which will enable them to go to market within a short period. Valeo's electric powertrain is reliable and safe. Valeo's electric powertrain system, a game-changing technology.